Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Weather Radar Map tile. In the next window, you'll see a preview on the left where you can see live changes to your feed. Click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations. By default, the coverage shown is the national coverage. Select the regional coverage and enter a location. Location is defined by postal code, city and state, or latitude and longitude. Set your display type as animated or single image. Show the current radar label, show city labels, or show time. Set the number of images you wish to include in the sequence. Set the interval between images as 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. Enable or disable animations. Choose your intro style, background, and custom message, and set your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, media RSS, and JSON data. Click Create Feed to create your Weather Radar Map feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.